day to you, my friends. Nick Rehmani here, and welcome to our journey of self-improvement, where today we're uncovering the 6 habits that could be holding you back from reaching your full potential. So, let's explore what they are and how you can let them go to embrace a more fulfilled life. Number 1, letting go of the need to always be right. First, we tackle the need to always be right. This habit can strain relationships and close your mind to new ideas. It's about embracing humility and understanding that being wrong is an opportunity for growth. Practice active listening to remind yourself that every conversation isn't a battle to be won, but a chance for exchange and learning. Number 2, saying goodbye to unnecessary worry. Next, we say goodbye to unnecessary worry. Worrying about things beyond our control drains energy and focus. Instead, channel your concerns into actions where possible and practice mindfulness techniques to stay present. Remember, most of what we worry about never happens. Number 3, overcoming the fear of change. The fear of change is a formidable barrier to progress. Embracing change is embracing growth. Start small, make gradual adjustments, and celebrate each step forward. Reflect on past changes that have led to positive outcomes and use them as motivation. Number 4, quitting the habit of overthinking. Overthinking can trap you into an endless cycle of what-ifs. It's crucial to distinguish between productive thinking and overthinking. Set limits for decision making. Engage in activities that keep you in the present and practice letting go of the need of perfect outcomes. Number 5, cutting back on digital distractions. Digital distractions are the thieves of time and focus. Setting boundaries for digital device use, dedicating specific times for checking emails or social media, and engaging in offline activities can help reclaim your attention and improve productivity. Number 6, letting go of past regrets. Lastly, letting go of past regrets is essential for moving forward. Regrets can keep you anchored to the past. Acknowledge them, learn from them, and let them go. Focus on what you can control and make peace with your past. See, letting go of these 6 habits isn't just about saying goodbye. It's about saying hello to a life filled with more joy, growth, and potential. Start small, be consistent, and watch as you transform your life one habit at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-improvement. Remember, the only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Welcome to a place where curiosity meets opportunity. For those who are intrigued by the prospect of enhancing their financial well-being alongside personal growth, our doors are always open. Here, it's about more than just additional income streams. It's about connecting, learning, and growing together in a community that values each person's journey. Whether you're interested in exploring part-time opportunities or making it a full-time shift, we invite you to take a moment to visit freedomlifebusiness.com. Discover a space where you can explore possibilities at your own pace, supported by a community that's here to share knowledge and encouragement. There is no rush, no obligation, just an opportunity to see what could be a good fit for you. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.